Hey everybody, RC Crawler Madness here. I just got a truck the other day. I got the CR12 Team Associated. Pretty sick little crawler. Love this thing. It does the course pretty good. I'm sorry I haven't had any videos yet of it on the course. Need to get my friend over here and get him to film me. And I got some new 1.9s for my HB from the local hobby store out here. And hey, it looks pretty good with 1.9s on there. And the tires came off that one. I put on the CR12. They work way better on the CR12. Gives it a lot more grip going up obstacles and stuff. And I'm gonna put a winch on that, use it as like a winch on this one, and use it as like a recovery truck kind of stuff. So yeah, I'll be doing a future build on this WPL in here. Sorry about the mess. I got the WPL C14 -1, I think it is. Made my own license, so I'm gonna do that. But it goes on this. It's got the stock CR12 tire and rims on there. Looks pretty good on there, I think. But that'll be my future build. And I will got some parts coming for that. And I'll let you know I get my parts or not this week or what. But I'll be doing a build on that and probably a little crawl, see how you guys see how it works. It's WPL MN 110 hybrid, I call it. It's got 110 tires and, well, 112 tires pretty much, but the 112 tires aren't much bigger than the 110, so yeah. I'll see you guys on future builds. Hopefully you guys are able to see my videos. We'll do some crawling here for you one day when I get my friend over here. He's been busy with work, so yeah. See you guys later. Thanks for watching RC Crawler Madness. Have a nice day.